If I don't bring to you a healthy and tasty meal on this YouTube app, who will? Hey, my beautiful and gorgeous Clarence Kitchen lovers, welcome back to the channel. Join me today. Let's make chicken and cabbage stir fry sauce. So unique and very, very tasty. The list of ingredients I use are as follows: boiled egg, biteable size of boiled chicken, black soy sauce, chicken broth, grounded scotch bonnet peppers, chopped cabbage, slice of green bell pepper, and salt. Into a clean non-stick pan, go in with your chicken slices. Add in a few drops of dark soy sauce and stir. Add in the slices of scotch bonnet pepper, sliced cabbage, green bell pepper slices. Add in the chicken stock, and lastly the boiled egg. Cover and allow to cook for some minutes. Instead of tomato stew all the time, why don't you try this recipe? Because from the look of things, it's very easy to make and very delicious and also healthy. Will you be trying it? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this far. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. See you on my next video. Bye.